Hi, I'm Alicia Mehta, a second-year Health Information Science student at Conestoga College. And for my field placement, I had the opportunity to work with CHEO Core Innovation Research Stream, a forward-thinking team that supports innovation in pediatric healthcare. As a health information management student, my main focus was to explore and apply HIM principles in this real-world research environment. HIM is about managing data, efficiency, ensuring its accuracy and accessibility, and using it to make decisions. In my practicum, I directly applied these skills in areas like documentation, workflow optimization, and information management. CHEO, short for the Children's Hospital of Eastern Ontario, is the leading pediatric healthcare and research center based in Ottawa. The Core Innovation Research Stream is a unique part of the research department that supports startups, innovators, and internal clinical teams to navigate the research process. The stream currently supports over 13 companies and 5 principal investigators, all with different levels of involvement, needs, and timelines. It is an incredibly dynamic environment that requires efficient data management, clear workflows, and seamless communication, elements that are all central to HIM practice. During my practicum, I had the chance to apply HIM principles to the stream's daily operations. My role was to focus on improving processes, particularly around the research stream intake process and pipeline management, which directly ties to the HIM principles of organizing, managing, and utilizing data effectively. These tasks are crucial for ensuring that data flows seamlessly, is accessible for the right people at the right time, and ultimately supports the successful development of the innovative research. Every morning at 9:15 over Teams, as my placement was fully online, I met with my preceptor to align on tasks and priorities. These meetings were key to organizing and managing the work, ensuring clear communication and that all information is documented and tracked. I also took notes each day, documenting discussions, workflows, and decisions made. This process is vital in HIM as it ensures that information is stored accurately for future referencing and decision making. One of my projects involved improving the value proposition materials. These documents explain the research stream services to external partners. I applied HIM skills like standardizing documentation to make the materials clear and more accessible. Next, I worked on visualizing the pipeline. In HIM, workflow mapping is key practice. By clearly outlining the steps involved in the research project, I helped ensure that data was being managed consistently at each stage. I also focused on defining entry and exit gates for the research stream, which then helped me create intake questions, which directly ties into HIM's role in creating structured systems for data collection, access, and management. In addition to workflow improvements, I also explored digital tools that support HIM principles. I worked with platforms like Visio, Microsoft Forms, and reviewed how Monday.com was used to manage project tasks and streamline processes. These tools play an important role in HIM by helping ensure that information is both accessible and organized for future use. Originally, I had planned to build an automated intake form using Monday.com that would route responses into the proper stages of the research stream and notify the team. Unfortunately, there wasn't enough user seats available for me to be added to the platform. At the same time, the team was also exploring using a tool called Puzzle, which could introduce automation into the pipeline and streamline transitions between stages. While it wasn't implemented during my placement, I created a detailed workflow roadmap identifying where automation through tools like Puzzle could be applied in the future. This ensures that when the time comes, the stream is ready for efficient HIM-aligned integration. This placement allowed me to deeply engage with health information management in a real-world, fast-paced setting. I was able to apply HIM principles directly in organizing data, optimizing workflows, and documenting processes that will support future innovation efforts. HIM plays such a vital role in healthcare innovation, ensuring that data is accurate, accessible, and organized. These principles were key in my work at the Core Innovation Research Stream, and I'm excited to see how they can continue to impact future projects. I just want to say thank you to my preceptor at CHEO and the team for the opportunity to apply my HIM skills and contribute meaningful work.